Sarah, what are you doing in the kitchen today?
Hi, today I'm making buttoil.
Well, what do you mean oil to put on your ass to make it firmer?
No, buttoil is a combination of butter and olive oil. The idea is, in the summer particularly, butter is difficult to keep and it gets too soft with the hot temperatures. So it's to make a spreadable butter with the benefit of we use our own extra virgin olive oil.
So you can put the butt oil in the fridge, and even though it's quite cold in the fridge, it remains spreadable.
Yeah, that's right. When I make it, I put it into a butter dish and then put it straight into the fridge, and then you can just take it out when you need it and spread it on toast or bread.
That sounds a very good idea because olive oil is very healthy, and well, people don't really know if butter's healthy or not. Nowadays, they say it's okay, but that sounds a really great idea to mixing olive oil with butter, so it's more healthy, no?
Yeah.
The trouble is, doesn't that make it really expensive because olive oil is expensive?
Not really, because if you think about the prices in Spain of a kilo of butter costs €9.80, whereas a litre of olive oil costs, normally supermarket prices start at €5 for a litre, ranging all the way through to €10 for more expensive extra virgin olive oil.
So which oil are you using here?
This is using our own extra virgin olive oil that we make at the Cortijo.
Okay, so for us anyway, that's
Yeah.
You didn't hold it long enough. You're supposed to be giving this a plug. You didn't, although we don't.
This is our extra virgin.
Stop moving it
olive
around.
oil.
Stop moving it around. Although, I don't know what the harvest is going to be this year because it's so dry. I don't know. Will we have enough to sell? I don't know. Well, if anyone's lucky enough, we'll have enough to sell. But
Okay.
So have we covered all the angles?
Do you want? Yeah, let's go on to making it.
Oh yeah, how do you actually? Of course, sorry. How do you actually make them stuff? Right. Okay, this is one of your new bowls from Ikea.
Yes.
All right.
So this was a pack of butter I got out of the freezer. It's been in the bowl since this morning, so it's perfect consistency now to mix in.
So this is, you're saying what butter would be like if it wasn't in the fridge.
Yes, exactly.
So it's just completely we'll get rancid in no
time at all.
And it's too liquid.
Yeah, that's the problem. I prefer to put it in the bowl when it's a solid block, because then when it's soft, it's harder. It takes longer to scrape off.
So start moving your hands in the way of the camera. Go on.
Start moving my hand in the way of a camera.
No, you're moving your hands in and out of the screenshot.
Oh, sorry.
It's just like,
Okay.
Come on.
Over to
So
the
I apologise, we're a bit amateur here. Not
Right.
exactly great for television presenters.
This
but,
is
but it's
pack.
well worth you watching this video. Go on then.
Okay, this is a pack of butter, 250 grams of butter, and I'm going to add in half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. There we go. Okay, I'll just leave that to drain for a bit. I'll put the...
Ooh, what's this? Food mixer?
Yeah, this is a hand mixer.
That's a Bosch mixer, isn't it?
Yes.
How long have you had that?
About a month now. I bought it for making cakes.
Is it any good?
Yeah, very good. And now I've got dough hooks with it, and that's what I use for mixing in for mixing the sourdough. Okay,
Great.
so we've let that drain for a bit, and now we're just going to go into the bowl and gradually blend the two oils, the butter and the oil together.
So, what proportion do you use, sir?
250 grams of butter, which is about a cup of butter, to half a cup of olive oil.
So, could you vary the ratio according to what temperature it's going to be stored in?
I'd started off with 1 to 1, so 250 grams of butter to a cup of olive oil, but it was too soft. It didn't set, so I found this is a good consistency.
So,
And then
my short-term memory. What ratio is this?
this is 250 grams of butter, half a cup of olive oil.
Okay.
Then
What's that in metric? What's half a cup in metric? How many grams?
250, 125 grams for a cup.
Oh, 125.
250 grams is a cup. Half a cup is 125.
Okay, so this, your new method is 250 butter, 125 oil. Yeah.
Yes. Good.
Okay. It's just because it's complicated. If you use two different measurements, it's easy. Just use 1 grams. Okay, go on then.
After, I'm going to pour it into this insulated butter dish. Okay, that's the mixture I now need. It's all blended in, so I'm going to stop the mixer. Get rid of that into the sink, and then pour it into this butter dish.
So
you can see the consistency.
This temperature, it's really like gooey and liquid, yeah?
Yeah.
It's because it's hot.
This is
room temperature.
Yes.
In a August in a hot room. So this is buttoil, but you'd never put any on your arse, no?
No, Sean. Not on my arse, not on your arse. Just give it a bit of a wipe down.
Okay.
Well, there we go. And there's what I'm going to do now is to put it into the fridge freezer, right to the bottom, so that it cools down.
Oh, this is our freezer that's run at the temperature of a fridge. So that's about it then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Better not go on. So we're actually at 7 minutes gone. 7 minutes on this. So that's how to make
Buttoil.
buttoil.